If you're looking to transform your bedroom into a cozy and functional sanctuary, you've come to the right place.
Today, we're diving into the top 10 bedroom essentials that can make all the difference.
First up, we have underbed storage. This is a game changer for maximizing space in your bedroom.
Whether it's storing of seasoned clothes, shoes, or extra bedding, utilizing the space under your bed can help keep your room clutter-free and organized.
Next, let's talk about quality bedding. Investing in good sheets, pillows, and a duvet can drastically improve your sleep quality. Plus, there's nothing quite like slipping into a soft, cozy bed after a long day.
A nightstand with storage is essential for keeping your nighttime necessities close at hand. Whether it's books, glasses, or chargers, having a dedicated spot for these items can make your nightly routine much smoother. Adding a large plant to your bedroom not only brings a touch of nature indoors, but also helps purify the air and create a relaxing atmosphere. It's a simple addition that can make a big impact on the overall vibe of your space.
A bedside tray is perfect for keeping your essentials within arm's reach.
Whether it's your morning coffee or your favorite book, a stylish tray can help keep your nightstand organized and looking chic. A headboard can instantly elevate the look of your bedroom. It adds a focal point to your bed and can provide additional comfort for those lazy mornings spent reading or watching telly in bed. Wall hooks are a fantastic way to keep things organized and off the floor. Use them to handbags, hats, or even jewelry. They're practical and can add a decorative touch to your walls.
Accent lighting can change the whole mood of your bedroom. Think about adding some fairy lights, a stylish floor lamp, or even some wall sconces to create a warm and inviting atmosphere.
A rack can tie your whole room together and add a layer of comfort underfoot. Choose a design that complements your decor and feels great to walk on.
Finally, blackout curtains are a must-have for anyone who values their sleep. They block out unwanted light, help insulate your room, and can even reduce noise.
Perfect for creating a restful environment.
And there you have it, our top 10 bedroom essentials.
Incorporating these items into your bedroom can make a huge difference in creating a space that's both functional and inviting. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor tips.